Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video from How Logical, and in this video I am going to show you how to uninstall Agoda from your Android device. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to delete or uninstall Agoda, you just simply have to tap a while into your Agoda application and this uninstall button will directly appear. Now you just simply have to tap into this uninstall button in order to uninstall Agoda from your device. But if this option is not showing into yours, you just simply have to go into your Play Store, and after going into Play Store, just simply search for Agoda into there. Then this Agoda application will appear into the Play Store. You just simply have to open the application and now tap into this uninstall button in order to uninstall the Agoda application. And after confirming the uninstall, the Agoda will successfully be deleted from your Android device. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.